easy to hold, but they need to get away to a far better start than what they have done in the prior two. Guilty of just mindless slogging for mine.
Harris and Mars have both struggled to score runs. It's likely to be a little bit more swing as the full lights take effect. Mars yet to score a run in international cricket. This is his third innings. It's going to be around how much swing pole Jamieson could get early. We saw it in Christchurch. It's quite often the new ball here underlights it.
Jamieson. As he went for the in-swinger straight up. And it was right on the money as well. That's what they want to see. That's what they're after. And that was worth seeing. Now something a little different. It's brilliant. Well, this is what they're after. They want a fast start. Maybe. This is sliced away, but with some sort of pace along the turf as well. That's nice. There's no protection back there. Oh, he edged that. No chance. Absolutely no chance to stop that. Oh, that is good. It's really good. That is dismissed. Clobbered. No timing at all. And well, a bit better timing than I thought. That's better. It's flat batted. And tennis shot over count corner. Bang! That's a beaut, that. It is a beaut. Over it off. I thought it was the sort of ball you would pull, but that's not now was the style.
Well, remembering too that they've come to New Zealand since Rizwan and Babar. That's top edge. This is going to be the first wicket. Hay takes the catch.
At the back end of the power play, it's banged in by Jacob Duffy, just cramping him up for room. Can't get onto that short ball as he would have liked. Steep bounce, big top edge into the nut.
Seam delivery again, and that one is flown off the outside edge and rolls to the boundary for 4. Edge gone, 4 more. Oh, that's straight. And that has been pumped. 50 up for Nawaz. It comes off 26 balls. He equals Rizwan's mark. 50. The innings from a New Zealand point of view. That's nicely turned off the hip. That's going to be 4. That is a tough spot to defend. Short, hoisted, 6. Well, he's trying to muscle this past, and he does just that. Mitchell. He was straight enough, at least he thought so. Thought he had it under control, and it's...
Oh, it's too short. It's too short. Good luck stopping that. The minute it got past short fine leg, it was... Is Jamieson picked up on the onside? That is quite splendid. Just 4. Oh, that's clever. He's had to reach for it. And to lift his hand. And the next hand it found was someone in the crowd. They can just turn it on. A little bit of luck this time. It's all going their way. Out on the onside, he loves that pickup shot, doesn't he? And he'll pick up 6 more for it. Short, well watched. Wasn't quite there. How's he hit that before? Has he done that? This could be 4-2. It's a chase out there. It's down in the pocket. No chance again. Brilliant placement. This is classy stuff from Salman. And again, same place. Same result. Oh, that's 4. That's a good 4. Just wrong line. Carved away on the offside. All the way for 6. It's just the bat speed and some pace off the wicket. Yeah, have 6 more. You beauty, Nawaz. Playing an absolute blinder. They can't bowl anywhere to him. He's got an answer for everything.
All the superlatives. Tucked around the corner. Salman. That's 50 for Salman. And that is the epitome of a captain's knock for him as well. He's played the support role, but he's played it brilliantly. And it has not been unentertaining, that is for sure.